welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm welcoming all the old viewers and new viewers to this channel. Yes, you are actually in the right place. And if you are a small YouTuber, if you're a business owner, if you're doing something legit and looking for ways to put traffic to yourself, then yes, you are in the right place. Let us stick around till the end of this video because I have information and I have tips to actually help us, the YouTubers, the small YouTubers like myself, become well known. Let's stick around till the end. Welcome back once again to my channel. Yes, I watched a video on Kelechimgbemena's channel, and this is like my reaction to her video. This is me concurring to what she said and what I also have to say about the video. I want to say to all small YouTubers, small business owners, and every legit thing that brings money to your table that is still small for now. Yes, this is my own reaction to her video and what I have to say. Trying to copy the big businesses or the big YouTubers around you. Now let us channel everything to YouTube. Okay, so it also implies to small businesses around that is not YouTube, other entrepreneurs, your business and all. Okay, so but I'm channeling everything I have to say to YouTubers. Looking up to big YouTubers, as your mentors is so great, so good. But then copying everything they do, copying their brand, copying their system, their creativity, to the point of copying their voice, their tone, and everything they do, and bringing it down to your channel. Yes, because you like it and you desire it and you appreciate what you're doing, and yes, what you're doing is so good. But copying everything and bringing it down to your own channel and like trying to be someone else is not just it. It's not it at all. It's just like you being a photocopy of something. Yeah, so we should try to always be our own brand. First of all, as a small YouTuber and you want to make your own brand, you want to make your own name on the YouTube platform. YouTube is so big, it's a big search engine, big enough to contain all personality, to contain everybody, to contain as many videos and as many brand that comes onto the platform as possible. Okay, so try to be yourself on YouTube. There is a viewer for every video. If you're trying to copy someone else's work, voice, tone, way of creating their videos and all, if you're trying to copy all of that, then who are you presenting to us? Are you presenting that person in you, or you're trying to present to us yourself in your own self? What brand are you creating? Because when you get to a time and then you want to fall back to being who you are because you've grown subscribers and viewers, you want to fall back to, you might lose those people. They already know the first person you presented to them. And changing yourself, changing your personality back to you will be very hard for you to do. So it is actually very advisable. Everything big started small. Consistency is key. Doing it gradually, continuing in what you're doing gradually, you would see people finding your personality, the personality you are bringing before them. So if you're a booktuber, if you're a vlogger, if you're a hairstyle person, if you're teaching us how to cook on YouTube, if you're teaching us about tech, whatever you're doing, and you're small, and yes, definitely there are big people in your niche, you can look up to them. You can learn things from them. But copying their brand, copying their personality, being them in you would not help you grow. Because people would see you as a fake of that person and might not really see you as a fanciful person. But if you're bringing your own self, your own brand out there, then you're trying to create your own self from scratch. And I love Kelechimgbemena for really saying this. Now, if you're a business owner, if you're a business person outside YouTube, definitely there might be other bigger business people in the same business you're doing that you're looking up to. That's fantastic. But do not copy anyone's creativity. be yourself. Show us what you have to offer. If you're offering us what another person has offered us, what's the difference? Like, why won't I go for the one that is already blown when you're giving me something that is exactly? Why would I come to you who is still small? But if you're giving me something unique, something that other person don't have, I know that person is blown, but you are giving me something unique. Even if you're small, I want to always come back to your channel. I'll always come back to your business to patronize. I want to always have your uniqueness, because no other person has it, and that is how you grow your subscribers, that is how you grow your viewers, and that is how you grow in the business realm. But then if you give us that uniqueness that you have and run away and later come back, you give us more, you run away, come on, we'll be bored now. You just have to be consistent about it. I've been trying to watch a lot of videos about growing channels and what to do to implement the growth, to grow in your own channel. But I just found out that everybody's talking about this consistency. So whatever you do that brings money to you, just have to be consistent in it. Definitely your name will be out there and will be topping one day. Thank you for joining me in this particular video. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe to this channel. Please do it. Do you know the amazing thing about this? It's free. Like, you're not paying for it. Just click on subscribe to support the channel, to support my videos, to support me, and that's how I know that I'm being supported by all of you. Thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate your time. Please subscribe to my channel. Click on the like button because it means a lot to me. Let's meet to my next video. And I remain Mariorita. Bye.